Alright, so we have two cards, kitten and puppy, and Ellen and Greta. Here you go, we have hoops, we have bowling pin. Are we gonna play? You're gonna throw, try to hit the pin. If you succeed, then you can flip the hoop. Okay? This is we call traveling hoop. Traveling hoop, okay? Ready? Yep. 1, 2. Okay, so you got it. Ready? Go. Go. Uh-oh, you missed it. Oh, Hetty, Greta got it. Very good. So good. You got to flip. Oh, Ellen missed that. You got it. Well done. Flip the hoop. Oh, you missed that. Very, very good. Keep going. Uh-oh, you missed one more time. Oh, you missed that. Very good, Ellen. You got it. Oh, Ellen, very good. Come on, Greta. There we go. Ellen is about reaching here. Yeah, very good, Greta. Uh-oh, you missed that, Ellen. Very good. Uh-oh. Very good, Ellen. Oh, very good, Greta. Flip the hoop. Last time. Last time, okay? Very good. Very good. Emma. Uh-oh. Yay, Greta, very good. Flip the hoop. Very good. You're about... Uh-oh, you missed it. Uh-oh. There we go. Very good. Ellen got it and Greta got it. Travel. And you finally reached here. Okay. So you are going to ask each other. Ellen is going to ask. Okay. So Ellen, you are going to ask Greta.
What do you see? I see yellow puppy.
Very good. You ask Ellen.
What do you see? I see a white kitten.
Great job, Ellen. Great job, Greta. Excellent. Okay, so next, who wanna try?